So Danny, can you tell me a little bit more about the new CAT equipment?
Yeah, Edgar, of course, now Caterpillar made the biggest changes several years ago. The majority of the iron in this machine is the same as the previous model. That's great news for us. With so much proven technology, you're looking at some of the most reliable products ever introduced by Caterpillar.
You mentioned that the engines in the 175 to 750 horsepower range really hadn't changed that much.
That's right, that's right. They were retuned to reduce particulate matter. That means the changes to the after-treatment packages are focused on NOx reduction. Let's follow the flow of the exhaust as it leaves the engine. First, some of the emissions are oxidized by the diesel oxidation catalyst. The diesel particulate filter traps whatever particulates do enter the exhaust stream. And if soot builds up, the active CAT regeneration system activates and removes it. This regeneration is automatic, so the operator really isn't involved and the work cycle is uninterrupted.
Sounds like the Tier 4 interim solution.
It does, yes, but remember, in Tier 4 final, the engine reduces the amount of particulate matter that reaches the after-treatment system. Really what that means is regeneration doesn't happen as often. You may notice the regeneration system runs at startup, not to remove soot, but to warm up the new selective catalytic reduction system.
So this is where the diesel exhaust fluid comes in.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. The diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF for short, it's a combination of water and urea. And it's used on all equipment with engines between 175 and 750 horsepower. Engines outside this power range may use a different technology. DEF is injected into the exhaust stream. The water evaporates and the urea turns into ammonia. The ammonia mixes with the NOx and enters the selective catalytic reduction system. The catalyst in the system causes a chemical reaction which converts NOx emissions into two products, nitrogen and water vapor.
So there's some new technology to keep track of.
Yes, yes it is. But here's the good news, Edgar. Caterpillar made it simple. About all you have to do really to maintain the engine and the after-treatment system is to fill the DEF tank every time you fuel up. It's just that simple.